Cracker Brittle is one of my favorite things to make at this time of year. I can honestly say that I don't know a single person who doesn't like it. On top of that, it's really easy to make. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let's get started. Line a cookie sheet or jelly roll pan with aluminum foil and lay out saltine crackers with the salted side up. Over medium heat, melt 3/4 cup each salted butter and light brown sugar. You want to whisk it periodically so it stays combined, and then when it starts foaming, turn down the heat to low and let it go for about 5 minutes. Pour the sugar mixture over the saltines and be careful, it's really hot. Spread it out as best you can from edge to edge. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. After this, it goes into the oven for 7 minutes. When it comes out of the oven, spread about half a bag of chocolate chips on top, whatever kind you like. I prefer just plain dark chocolate, but Mr. Catvoice likes to mix it up. Anything from white chocolate to butterscotch, everything will melt on this, so don't be afraid to get creative. Wait about 3 minutes before you start trying to spread the chocolate. I like to do it in little swoopy motions. At this point, you could add some sprinkles, colored sugar, or even cracker crumbs to the top, but I like to keep it plain. After this, you want it to cool for a few hours, or you can stick it in the fridge if you're in a hurry. And that's all there is to it. Break up the final product into smaller pieces, and wear gloves if you're making it for other people. If you don't have any, just put a piece of plastic wrap on top of the chocolate and break it apart that way. Once you try this simple recipe, you'll find yourself making Christmas crack over and over again. I promise. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Have you tried Christmas crack before? I'd love to hear from you.